Hey, good afternoon everyone. I hope everyone is feeling well. In this short demo, I'm going to explain the second NTFS permission. For that one, let's say the manager came to me and he said, hey, create a user. He will come tomorrow, but just give him administrator rights. Don't put him or add him to the help desk. In other words, don't make him member of help desk group. Since in the first demo, we explained John Malik was a member of the help desk group along with administrator, but in this demo I'll create another user for the separate folder, and he will only has administrator rights, but he will not be a member of help desk group. So to do this, let me create a user. Right click on the user, new user. I'll name it Brian Malik. The login will be B Malik. Next, I'll remove checkmark, type password. Click on next and finish. So we created a new user named Brian Malik. Let, let me add him to administrator because the manager told me give him just administrator rights, but don't make him a member of help desk. So right click properties and then click on member of, click add. I'll just type admin, check name, administrator, okay, and then apply, and okay. Now he is admin user. Brian Malik is now has administrator privilege. So let me go and create another folder inside Malik.com. I'll create another folder, let's say HR, just for the Brian Malik. And let me add him to the administrator group. No, let me add him to the HR folder, sorry. Security, add, now type Brian. Check name, okay. Let me give him a full access. Apply, okay. Advance. Brian Malik is there with a full control. If it says read and execute, or if you want to make it modify, let me make it modify. Click edit. I don't want to give him full control. Just modify and write. Okay. It's changed to modify and apply and then okay. So we make him an admin user, and now we basically he's not in a member of help desk security group, and also we add him to the HR folder. So since Brian Malik, since or the Malik.com is shared with administrator only, Brian Malik must be an administrator to pass the share level permission, even if you grant him explicit interface permission on Malik.com or IT folder. As I explained in the first demo, it won't work unless he is an administrator group, because the Malik.com folder has been shared as a Malik.com as administrator owner, because the share level permission are blocking non-administrators. In a summary, share level permission takes priority for network access. Since Malik.com is shared with administrator only in a first demo, non-admin user can't access it, even if they have NTFS permission. In other words, even if you add Brian Malik manually to let's say you add manually Brian Malik to Malik.com, and he is not admin, he won't be have access to Malik.com when you log in on the client machine, because he's not admin and you shared Malik.com as administrator only. So to give him access without making him admin, and even not a member of help desk, let's say, you need to update the share level permission to include him or group he belongs to, which I will do it later. So let's 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 log in to the client machine and see if he has access to the Malik.com folder and at a subfolder which is HR in IT. And then I'll create a net map and I'll do the map network drive for him. So Windows, let me log out from John Malik, sign out, sign out anyway. Me log in now as Brian Malik. So the login was B Malik. Tell the password for the user. Remember, he's admin user, but he's not a member of help desk. And in the first demo, the user, which was John Malik, he was a member of help desk, and he was also a long administrator user. It has an issue for some reason. Let me sign out and sign in one more time. And that's gonna work hopefully. Yeah, that's work. So let's wait for this to log in and then we will type the path which was // security hacker, and we will see the Malik.com folder and we will open its subfolder as an admin user, which is Brian Malik, but not a member of the help desk. In the first demo, John Malik was administrator, and in the second demo, he is still admin, but not a member of help desk. Remember this. So let me check. In order to check, let me wait. Click on File Explorer, and in here, you need to type the path to the Malik.com security hacker. Hit enter. Malik.com folder is right here, and as you see, there are two folders up here. So let me create a network map the network drive for this. Let me copy this, go to this PC, right click on this and map a network drive and copy the whole path here, and it's the drive Z. You can even add other alphabets if you want. So it is Z and finish. As you see, the map network drive has been created, which is HR. So just to wrap up, in this demo, what we did, we add Brian Malik to as administrator user, but he was not a member of help desk, which let me show one more time. If you go to the Brian Malik, right click properties, member of, he is not member of help desk, but he is admin user. If you go to the help desk, there you will see only John Malik, not Brian Malik. John Malik was admin and he was also a member of help desk, both in a first demo. but not Brian Malik. So this is all for this demo. Thank you for being with me, and I hope you learn and have fun with this. And I'll see you in a third demo of NTFS file permission. Thank you and have a great day.